The federal court has fixed April 20th next year for the hearing of former police commando Azilah Hadri's application for a review of his conviction and death sentence over Altantuya Shaariibuu's 2006 murder. According to Azilah's counsel, J. Kuldeep Kumar, his client wants the apex court to set aside its 2015 decision to uphold his conviction. He is also seeking a retrial over the Mongolian model's murder.
The ex-elite Special Action Force UTK police officer's lawyer today confirmed that the application for a review was filed at the federal court last week.
There is a 137 application, Rule 137 application, and there's a review application supported by an affidavit. That's all I can say for the time being.
Kuldeep also said the former policeman, who is on death row at the Kajang prison, filed his statutory declaration together with an affidavit to support the review bid. In his statutory declaration dated October 17th, Azilah claimed Datuk Sri Najib Razak, as the then Deputy Prime Minister, had in 2006 allegedly given him the orders to kill Altantuya and dispose of her body with explosive. The former Prime Minister, however, dismissed Azilah's claims as a complete fabrication and maintained his innocence, while also welcoming police investigations into the allegations. In 2015, the federal court reversed the Court of Appeal's acquittal of Azilah and former police commando Sirul Azhar Umar, reinstating the High Court's conviction and mandatory death sentence on the duo over Altantuya's murder. Meanwhile, Datuk Sri Najib will file an application to intervene in Azilah's review application. The former Prime Minister's lawyer, Tan Sri Muhammad Shafiee Abdullah, said that his client has a direct interest in the matter. He also questioned why the allegations have resurfaced after 10 years.
And the court cannot make decision against anybody who is condemned in the proceedings without that person being in the court to be given the right to answer, right? Because as far as our client is concerned, this is an application based on an affidavit, and he has, as you can see from his reply, he has totally denied everything that has been alleged.
Tan Sri Shafiee claimed the allegations might be politically motivated and believed that the other accused, Sirul Azhar, could also be making the same move. He alleged that several people are persuading Sirul Azhar, who is currently in the Australian detention centre, to come with something similar.
Now, in another development, Dr. Shaariibuu Setev, the father of Altantuya, has renewed his call to reopen investigations into his daughter's murder 13 years ago following Azilah's revelation. In an emailed statement through his lawyer, he said it is an opportunity for the Malaysian government to clear its name at the international level relating to the murder case. Now, the statement reportedly said Setev is in a hospital and would issue a more detailed statement in the next few days. Ram Karpal Singh, another lawyer acting for the Mongolian family, called for fresh inquiries in the case. He said if those allegations prove to be true, there must be a prosecution of those involved, despite Azilah and Sirul Azhar having been convicted by the federal court for the murder. Ram Karpal also pointed out that there was no statute of limitations in criminal cases.